Goodbye, saguaros.
We got hello snow.
Hello, snow is right.
And there she is, dropping the home off to finally get the furnace fixed.
What's on them?
Skateboarding cacti.
A skateboarding cacti. You know what? It's gonna be cold where we're going, so I figured you might need another little jacket. Bye, Phoenix! We had fun!
In between the Sedona and Flagstaff, and it is beautiful.
This is a little scary.
It's cool. It's amazing.
That was a really fun ride up the pass through between Sedona and Flagstaff. Super fun. There was a warning that if you're over 50 feet long that you couldn't go up the road. We're not sure how long we are, but I think we're just barely under 50. We made it just fine. It was a little bit scary at times. I handed the phone to Ethan and let him get some footage for you guys. We are past Flagstaff now, on our way up to the Grand Canyon, and there is a snowstorm coming.
It's gonna be scary.
No, we're gonna miss it. We're gonna go to the Grand Canyon and check out the visitor center, and then we're promptly going to leave so we don't get stuck in the snow. We're at the Grand Canyon. I'm so excited. It's really cold though.
I believe I saw it.
What you working on?
Every year, over 5 million people come to visit the Grand Canyon. That's a lot of people.
I want to throw a snowball down there. See what happens.
Well, we made it. Check off the bucket list. We are here at the Grand Canyon. It is amazing.
The winter really adds a unique perspective to it, with the snow on the tops of the vistas. We spent a total of, what would you say, an hour and a half, 2 hours?
No,
Maybe?
not 2 hours.
Not even that, hour and a
I'm
half
sure it
maybe.
wasn't 2 hours.
We weren't sure we were going to get to see it.
I'm so glad that I got to at least see it. I want to come back. I want to do the Bright Angel Trail really bad. I'd love to hike rim to rim.
Yeah.
I really want one of those patches, but I can't buy myself one if I don't actually hike rim
Yeah,
to
we
rim.
can't do it unless we...
I won't
yeah.
let myself. So,
So we're going to have a Grand Canyon part 2.
we're going to go drive around for a little while, but we got to get out of here so that we miss the snowstorm.
Yeah.
Because it's like, I don't know if you can see it, like the sun's out, but it's snowing. It's one of those weird things.
Yep.
So it's coming, and we don't want to be stuck with Wendy here. So we're gonna scoot.
We're gonna go.
Well, we didn't beat the snow. It is coming down.
Shut up.
I will. It's crazy.
Go into the jacket box. Go park, okay?
Okay. We're stopped at Jack in the Box for getting ourselves something to eat and trying to figure out what we're gonna do. And it's so funny because we're still in Las Vegas and snow is so rare here that even the employees are taking video and pictures of the snow coming down outside. It's crazy. There's no RV parks around here.
Look, trees.
The place we were gonna go is over a pass. We can't make it over a pass. Chain laws just went into effect, so we're stuck here in Las Vegas. We don't know where we're gonna stay the night. We would just stay in a parking lot, but we need the generator. We think we found a spot on BLM land that's not too far from here. It's a total shot in the dark. This is Wendy's first snowstorm. Okay, the kids are clearly excited for the situation. We're parked off the side of the highway.
It's snowing.
It is snowing a lot. We think we're on BLM land, but we can't be sure. Good morning, Las Vegas.
This is where we stopped last night. Looks like we've got a decent accumulation.
Snow-covered Joshua trees are so cool looking. I wonder how often they see snow. I'm guessing not very often as we drive through the Mojave Desert that is currently covered in snow. Driving through the Mojave Desert is so surreal when there's snow all over the ground. It's crazy.
And there's toilet chopstick in the snow.
Yeah, there's cack-sticks in the snow. We're heading on to Death Valley now. Someone's excited. I think she needs to get out and run around. The kids have to make a stop like every 20 to 30 minutes. It seems like, no, for real. Luckily for us, we have a bathroom on board because there is nowhere to stop on this road. It is desolate out here. Zero, -1, -2, -3. What's crazy is we're all shedding layers because it's 60 degrees here.
The largest national park in the lower 48 United States. The only parks bigger than this
Denali,
are the
probably.
parks outside are in Alaska. Denali's one of them. Denali's double the size.
Wow.
We're here at Badwater Basin in Death Valley National Park, and right now we are 282 feet below sea level.
That is the sea level.
This is the lowest point in the entire Western Hemisphere. How awesome is that? When I heard Death Valley National Park, I was like, that sounds awesome. We might be able to stop here. Oh my gosh, this place is awesome.
It's really neat. Totally worth
Look at all
checking out.
this salt
Don't
and
pass it by just because you think it's not going to be cool.
Yeah. We're at the Mesquite Sand Dunes, and I'm bummed we didn't get here sooner because the kids are super excited to go sledding with their little tiny pieces of cardboard.
What do you got, Chloe?
Sled.
Okay, let's do it. Be careful coming here in the summertime. This is and has been recorded as the hottest place on the earth at one point in time. It was in 1913 where Death Valley for 6 days, a period of 6 days, hit 134 degrees. That's not the heat index either. It was hotter than that. The actual index, I'm not sure of, but all the rangers are like, yeah, it was actually would have felt hotter than that. The actual degrees of the weather here was 134 for 6 days. Hottest place on earth.
We just wrapped up a taco dinner here at Death Valley. We just finished up the dunes and then came to our rig and made our dinner. And now we're ready to head on. We're gonna try to push for Tonopah, Nevada before we settle for the night.
Hey guys, I know it's totally hard to see me right now, but I'm doing this on purpose because one of the coolest things about Death Valley is it is known as one of the darkest places in the United States. Because of the valley and the surrounding mountains, the light pollution here is very, very low. So, man, the stars are amazing here. Yeah, we're just about ready to roll out of here, and we're going to take a quick break to look at the Milky Way that you can see in its entirety with the family.
Reno, and our RV park is right there, and right there is an RV car wash. Well, it's actually just a car wash with really big bays. So we're gonna wash Wendy because she is filthy. She's got desert all over her. She's got snow, slush, salt, mud, you name it.
And the car has
Yes,
mud too.
the car has mud. We kind of went mudding last night looking for a place to stay. So everything has to get washed before we enter that park right there.
Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and the like button, smash it, do whatever you can to it that's smashing it, but make sure to subscribe and don't forget, we're the Unordinary Path. Peace.